Now, dear students, our next neighboring country is Bhutan. Its official name is the Kingdom of Bhutan and it is also a landlocked country. Landlocked means a country surrounded by land or locked by land. Listen, children, it is located at the eastern part of Himalayas in South Asia. China lies to its north and it covers from south, west, and east by India borders. Its capital is Thimphu, which is the biggest city of Bhutan. And in winter season, see children, when snowfall is there, what a beautiful scene we can see in these images at the time of snowfall. Its official language is Jongkha. See the image of this language which is given here, and this is the language which is spoken by people in Bhutan. It covers an area of 38,394 square kilometers and its population is 7,70,000. Dear students, its religion is Vajrayana Buddhism, and here in Bhutan there are so many different religious societies are there which are working on this religion. One interesting thing is there, my dear students, is that Bhutan and India coordinate with each other and they both are good neighbors. Now, our next neighboring country is Myanmar. Its official name is the Republic of the Union of Myanmar and it was earlier known as Burma. Know your community, know your world. And my dear students, it's a very beautiful country. Now, what is the location of Myanmar? Listen children, it is located in the southeast part of Asia. Apart from India, its neighboring countries are Bangladesh, Laos, China and Thailand. It has a coastline along the Andaman Sea and Bay of Bengal. The population of Myanmar is 51 million and it covers an area of 6,76,578 square kilometers. Yes, now its capital is Naypyidaw, which is located in the center of the Myanmar. It's a very beautiful city of Myanmar and here there are different places for tourist attractions also. And one of the most famous place is Pagoda. Pagoda means a Buddhist temple which is a religious place. The biggest city of Myanmar is Yangon or Rangoon. People of Myanmar are using Burmese language to communicate each other. The main religion of Myanmar is Buddhism. And dear students, India and Myanmar are good partners. Now we have Bangladesh. Its official name is the People's Republic of Bangladesh. It's a very beautiful country of the world. Now, what is the location of Bangladesh in world's map? So, it is located in South Asia and it is bordered on the west, east and north by India, and Myanmar lies to its southeast. And dear students, Bay of Bengal is located towards its south. Do you know, my dear students, Bangladesh has at least 160 million people and it is one of the most densely populated countries as well. Its capital is Dhaka, and dear children, this Dhaka is also very beautiful and all people are very nature loving. People are using Bengali as a main language here, and also they are using English for communicate to each other. The main religion of Bangladesh is Islam. It covers or occupies a total area of 1,47,570 square kilometers. The relationship between India and Bangladesh is very friendly. They help each other.